15 benefits of dried grapes for health and diet. But before we start, please support us by pressing like and subscribe buttons. Also turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. Fruits are better eaten fresh. However, because of the problem of durability and to provide variety, people usually process the fruit into various kinds of creations, such as being made into sweets or dried. Like dried grapes, or also known as raisins. Dried grapes can be consumed directly like a snack, but of course a healthy snack, or can also be used as a topping on bread or other foods. Although in terms of appearance it is less attractive, but dried grapes have a sweet taste. Moreover, because the drying process and stored for a long time, the sugar content in dried grapes is stored and crystallized. Although not the main food, dried grapes have many health benefits. This is due to its nutritional content, which is very good for health, such as fatty acids, tocopherols, catechins, B-complex vitamins, iron, oleanolic acid, glucose, fructose, calcium, magnesium, potassium, polyphenols, and arginine. Among the benefits that can be obtained from the consumption of dried grapes are: 1. Good for healthy teeth and gums. Eating dried grapes is very good for healthy teeth and gums because the oleanolic acid compound contained in it is one type of antioxidant that can help eradicate bad bacteria in the mouth. This protects the teeth from decay and tartar, which can damage teeth. It can also protect the gums from various pains and inflammations due to bacterial attack. 2. Overcoming constipation. Another health problem that can also be overcome by consuming dried grapes is constipation or bowel movements that are not smooth. This is supported by the high fiber content in dried grapes, which makes stools softer and moves faster, so they are easier to expel. To get these benefits, the intake of water into the body must be in sufficient quantities. 3. Overcoming anemia. Patients with anemia or lack of red blood cells require adequate intake of iron and vitamin B complex to restore their health condition. For this reason, dried grapes are highly recommended for the treatment of anemia sufferers. 4. Prevent tumors and colon cancer. Antioxidants are known as substances that are very good at preventing the development of free radicals that can develop into cancer cells. This content is also owned by dried grapes, namely catechin compounds, which are one type of antioxidant that can prevent the formation of tumors and colon cancer that attacks the digestive system. 5. Increase energy. The sweet taste of dried grapes indicates a fairly high sugar content, namely glucose and fructose. This makes the consumption of dried grapes can be a good source of energy for the body. In addition, consumption of dried grapes is also useful in helping the body absorb various nutrients more efficiently, so that the body gets a more optimal nutritional intake. 6. Good for bone health. Calcium is one of the important minerals that the body needs from birth, growth, until old age. One of them is to support healthy bones and teeth, so that bones and teeth become strong and healthy. By consuming dried grapes that contain calcium, we will get the health benefits of bones and teeth. 7. Prevent osteoporosis. The calcium content in dried grapes is also very good for preventing osteoporosis, a condition where bone density decreases so that bones are more prone to cracking and porous. Especially in adults and women who have experienced menopause, where the body loses calcium faster than when they were young. 8. Good for eye health. Dried grapes are rich in antioxidants. One of them is polyphenols that can protect the eyes from free radical attacks. Regularly consuming dried grapes will protect the eyes from various diseases such as cataracts, blindness, macular degeneration, and so on. 9. Increase vitality and libido. Dried grapes can also be the fruit of choice for married couples for the harmony of their sexual life. This is supported by the content of arginine, a type of amino acid that is useful to help increase libido naturally. 10. Overcoming hypertension. Dried grapes can also be used to treat high blood pressure. With its potassium content, consumption of dried grapes can make blood vessels are more relaxed and less tense, so it can help lower blood pressure. This benefit is also helped by the fiber content in dried grapes, which can also help lower blood pressure. 11. As a diet menu. The important thing that needs to be maintained by dieters is the consumption of food in moderation. To support your diet program, you can consume dried grapes because these foods contain fiber which can make the stomach feel full longer. In addition, dried grapes also help the body regulate the hormones ghrelin and leptin. These two hormones are useful for signaling whether the body is hungry or not, so that it can prevent you from overeating. However, because the calorie content is quite high, dieters must still limit the consumption of dried grapes. 12. Prevents acidosis. Acidosis or blood poisoning is a condition in which the blood in the body becomes more acidic. This is certainly very dangerous because it can cause various body disorders such as damage to organs in the body, kidney stones, ulcers, tumors, skin diseases, cancer, and so on. By consuming dried grapes, which are rich in magnesium and potassium, are beneficial and very effective for neutralizing acid in the blood. 13. Overcoming fever. Fever or an increase in body temperature is usually a symptom of certain infectious diseases. The polyphenol content in dried grapes can be used to kill bacteria that cause infection so that body temperature can return to normal. 14. As anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Consumption of dried grapes can also help reduce inflammation while fighting various invading bacteria. This is supported by its polyphenol content, which is useful as an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. 15. Smooth blood circulation. The benefits of dried grapes that are no less important is to help improve blood circulation, which is the key to body health. This can be obtained because of the iron content in dried grapes, which plays an important role in improving blood circulation. The benefits of dried grapes are extraordinary, which we have known only as a snack or to decorate bread and cakes. For that, don't underestimate the health benefits of this one food. Some other benefits of grapes, including benefits of grapes for pregnant women. Grapes contain important nutrients during pregnancy, namely vitamins C and K, folate, antioxidants, fiber, organic acids, and pectin. Other nutrients, such as sorghum, can prevent anemia during pregnancy and help balance red blood cells, hemoglobin. The content of other grapes, namely flavonols, tannins, linalool, anthocyanins, and geraniol, helps prevent infection. Benefits of grapes for babies. Grapes contain natural sodium to help the development of the nervous system in babies. The content of B vitamins can help the metabolism of pregnant women, which is passed on to the fetus. Minerals in grapes can stabilize the cholesterol of pregnant women and ensure that the unborn child has a healthy heart. Grapes boost immunity. Grapes contain vitamins C and A, which boost the immune system. The water content is also important for healthy blood circulation, hydration, and the process of removing toxins. Make a good night's sleep. Melatonin in grapes can improve sleep quality. Grapes can reduce insomnia, difficulty sleeping. In addition, grapes can reduce the risk of mental health such as depression. Lowering sugar levels and diabetes. Grapes contain 23 grams of sugar per cup, 151 grams. This sugar content is good for diabetics. Grapes can also lower blood sugar levels. In one study, 38 men consumed 20 grams of grapefruit extract. The result: they can lower blood sugar than people who do not consume grapes. Grapes containing resveratrol have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. This content can increase the body's ability to process glucose and lower blood sugar levels and the risk of diabetes. Lowers blood pressure. Grapes contain 288 milligrams of potassium and minerals. These two ingredients are good for lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure is caused by a lack of potassium intake, which is at risk of triggering stroke and heart disease. Benefits of red wine: reduce cholesterol. Grapes contain compounds that help protect against high cholesterol levels. Quoting from Healthline.com, in the study there were 69 people who had high cholesterol. They ate 3 cups, 500 grams, of red wine for 8 weeks. The results showed that bad cholesterol levels in the body decreased, while white wine does not have the same effect.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like videos like this. Thank you.